How to create and post a YouTube short video. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to YouTube. Now click down here on this plus icon as you can see and click on create a short. Now after you click create a short, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is click allow access to the camera, and then you will be able to film a new short video. It's so easy and fast, so don't worry about that. If this video was helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later and thank you so much.